Hello everyone. So in the last video we talk about how to create a table in MySQL, okay, using this obviously Python code. So here we have one more thing related to database only, that is how to alter any table. Okay, in previous example it was like database test 29. So we are taking same database only, and in that also we are taking same table which is student only. What we are doing is we are altering this table which is student, and we will add one column, and name of that column will be mobile, and it will have a data type as a varchar 255. And obviously if there is no problem, then we will get only one output as a print message, successfully done. And then when manually we will check that this column is there or not in the database test 29 under that student table. Okay, so control S F5. Okay, successfully done. So now we will check in our database. Okay, so here you all can see there is a test 29. Okay, so and we have one student table also, and we will click on the structure. See, mobile is there. Earlier it was like only name and ID. Now mobile is also there. So this is how you can alter the table. Thank you everyone.